Hey fellas, and welcome back, and thank you so much for taking the time to join me again today. Just a short video to update everyone on the goings-on at Tom's World. Well, we managed to knock together another episode of Model Stuff. Our program focused on Italian kit manufacturer Amadi Models. If you're not familiar with Amadi, they're perhaps best known for their epic wooden tall ship model kits. Absolutely exquisite products. We took a detailed look through their catalog, everything from beginner craft kits to intermediate projects, all the way up to their premier masterpieces. We were surprised to find other fascinating non-ship models in their catalog, and these were equally impressive. We also got the opportunity to get hands-on with a few items Amadi sent us to review. So if you're interested in wooden kits, especially tall ships, then that video is definitely worth a look. If you're following the series, you'll recall our last unboxing was Tamiya's Opal Blitz, and we're well into building the kit. The cab is all built up and attached to the frame. Most of our painting is done, and we got as far as a light pin wash. We ran into some nasty pushpin scars on the inside of the bed sides, which are a bit of a challenge given all the surrounding wood texturing. I logged on to a couple of model building Facebook groups that I like to visit, and I posted asking whether anyone else has built this kit, and if so, how did they deal with the scars. Suggestions included hiding them with cargo or canvas cover. Other people enthusiastically egged me on to accept the challenge of filling these awkward scars. It was amazing how many creative solutions were proposed. To find out how we solved the problem, you'll have to watch the video. That'll be posted on the channel in just a few days, so stay tuned. So 2 kits arrived at the door, a glorious day indeed. First up, Tamiya's M5 light tank. It's an older kit, but it should prove to be a great project. This will be our next unboxing video, and once we're finished with the Blitz, this little M5 is up next for our build series. The second kit that arrived is one of Trumpeter's KV-1s. This is the small turret variant. We'll unbox this kit and build it once our M5 project winds down. This is the first Trumpeter kit we'll be unboxing and building on the series. It's also the first bit of Russian armor I've ever built. I couldn't resist looking in the box, and the kit looks amazing, so I'm really excited about this one. And finally, a few items from the Scenic Factory and Plus models made their way into the shop. These products are really unique and ideal for dioramas, vignettes, or for embellishing our models. These are preserved organic materials that come pre-colored, so no need for paint. And these little leaves are from Plus models. They also look great. We'll look at these cool products in more detail on an upcoming Model Stuff video, so watch out for that. We've got lots of builds, unboxings, and product review videos in the pipeline, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel as we continue our journey of discovery into the fascinating world of scale modeling. I'd like to sincerely thank all my channel subscribers, and if you haven't already, why not subscribe? It's totally free of cost and obligation, and your subscription keeps the channel chugging along. So in the meantime, make sure your pushpin scars are fixed, stay well, and all the best.